How to fix high CPU usage on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can easily stop the 100% or high CPU usage on your device. Let's get started. To check your CPU usage, you need to open up Task Manager. Press Ctrl Shift plus Escape key all together to open up Task Manager, and to find your CPU usage, you can find here. As you can see, I don't have much CPU usage currently, but if you head over to performance, you're able to see CPU, memory usage, your Wi-Fi, and GPU usage as well. First thing you want to do here is go over to startup apps on the left hand side, and if there are any startup apps enabled, just right click on it, tap on disable, and you should be good to go. Make sure you disable all the unnecessary startup apps. It's going to show the startup impact as well, and just make sure you disable it. Once you have done that, close this out and open up Device Manager. Once you open up Device Manager, you need to find certain things here. So basically go ahead and find System Devices, and here you need to find something called uh, High Precision Event Timer. Right click on it and then click on Disable Device. Then click on Update Driver, search automatically, and check if there are any updates for this particular driver. Once that is done, just go ahead and close it out. And final step is to go to the search bar and search for Edit Power Plan and open it up. Then you can find this option to change advanced power settings. From here, from the balance mode, make sure you select this to high performance, tap on apply, and then OK, and you should be good to go. These are some of the things you can do to fix your 100% CPU usage on your device. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.